We all love the external lenses, especially telephotos, for the better image quality and the extended focal length. But the massive problem with telephoto lenses is the shaking. When the image is magnified several times, even the tiniest hand tremors can cause shaky footage. It's frustrating when you spend hundreds of dollars on concert tickets, only to end up with blurry shots on your iPhone. Sure, a tripod can solve the shaking, but it's just not practical. In my opinion, Vivo X200 Ultra has the best telephoto game in the market. It's the Zeiss 2 35x telephoto lens. They really nailed the synergy between the hardware and the software processing. But since I can't change the iPhone's internal hardware, I was wondering how to catch up in this telephoto game on my iPhone. So the team and I spent months locked in the lab, pushing the limits of our code. And finally, we've brought a brand new feature to the Fotorgear app, the Lens EIS mode. Now, let's see the real-world results. This is how the Lens EIS mode handles different focal lengths. Open the Fotorgear app, and you'll find the Lens EIS mode right at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several presets for different focal lengths. By the way, if you're looking to upgrade your setup, you can find every one of these lenses on the Fotorgear official website. First up, the 2x telephoto lens. Take a look at the screen. Without EIS, you see those micro jitters, that tiny annoying shaking. But once I toggle on the 2x option, the frame is instantly pinned down. It's rock solid, even if my hands are moving slightly. Now for the extreme, the 400mm lens. At this magnification, even your breathing can make the frame jump like crazy, and you usually get those dark corners. But when we select 400mm, the app automatically crops out the vignettes and cranks the EIS algorithm to the max. We're also releasing a new 400mm mini lens soon, same focal lengths, but much smaller than the version we are offering right now. Let's see the EIS mode with a 400mm lens in action. Before turning it on, the shake is honestly pretty bad. But once it's on, the stabilization is night and day. Look, I'm not saying it's 100% vibration-free, but I truly believe this is the best way to stabilize your iPhone's telephoto shots right now. For the sharp-eyed viewers, yes, there's a 35x option. As I mentioned before, this lens is absolutely incredible. We created the VT adapter, making it possible to mount this Zeiss 2 35x telephoto lens directly onto your iPhone. From hardware to software, we've bridged the gap for this crossover setup. But here's the real kicker. It's not just for photos. If you switch over to video mode, the stabilization remains fully active. And get this, we support recording in up to 4K at 60 frames per second. Next time you're at a concert, you can capture rock-solid, high-def 4K fan cams of your favorite artist all handheld. The following clips were all shot entirely handheld using the Lens EIS mode on the Fotorgear app. Take a look and feel the stability for yourself.
I can't hide myself. I don't expect you to understand. I just hope I can explain what it's like to be a man. It's a lonely road, and they don't care about what you know. It's not about how you feel, but what you provide inside that home.
Too much pressure on my shoulders, it gets tough to be the person bringing in the bread and be the lover that you need with self-care. Yeah, I had to let go. I'd be lying if I told you that it never takes a toll on my mind. I need someone to save me, but I have to be the one who's saving you. When you're exhausted, I'm the shoulder where you mend. Gotta stay strong, what can I do when
I can't hide myself?
A quick pro tip. To ensure maximum stabilization performance, the preview resolution might look a bit lower while you're shooting. But don't worry, the final recording is unaffected and stays at full quality. As always, the Fotorgear app is completely free. We're here to be with you every time you press the shutter, capturing every single moment, whether it's through gear or the app. Fotorgear is always by your side. So let's start capturing the world. Go update the app and try it out. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.